Hello guys, welcome sa channel. So, few hours bago matapos tong Last Kingdom event, no. 3 hours na lang. So, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan kong event, no. Lalo ito pinaka nagustuhan ko tong mini game. So, ito yung parang lalaruin ko talaga ngayon. Mini game kasi ito yung parang nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa ito yung parang isa sa mga mini game na talaga nagustuhan ko ngayon sa Nikke. So, ito na yung parang few hours, parang last time. Hindi ko kasi di natin alam kung kailan babalik tong mini game na to, kung babalik pa to. So far nasa third place tayo, no. So malupit yung dalawang natin, naka 50k sila, no. Pero yung nakita na ako dyan sa mga guide ng mga internet na mga iba mga naka 60k, 70k, pero itong dalawa mukhang naka din sila ng isa reset sa dalawang mataas yung score. So ako hindi pa ako umabot ng 40, no, konti lang, no. So tatry ko for the last time siguro kung makahusok. Kumbaga ito tsambahan ko lang din to, no, hindi ko nga ito yung maulit So pero nakikita nung natin na try lang natin for the last time kasi may reward din yan kada isang araw mo yan nilalaro, may reward din yan. So parang final na lang din kahit one last time lalaroin ko natin siya. Yung mga nakita natin sa guide, siguro pa may nakita rin akong ganito, parang medyo gagayahin ko lang kung medyo effective. Parang ganito yun, tapos nandito sa yung banda dito si Scarlet, tapos nandito yung si Rapunzel. So, yung iba parang binabagalan na pinpost, pero siguro ako hindi ko masyadong gagawin yun. Siguro medyo konti.
Return to where you belong.
Ang medyo lang dito kasi dito sa medyo may part na parang RNG siya. So di katulad ng ibang mga TD na games, mga tower defense na parang ma-predict mo yung dito may certain part siya na biglang nag-iiba yung kilos ng mga minions.
Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
The onus behold my ultimate blade.
At parang napansin ko rin minsan parang depende sa peso ng towers, no.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Let's go. Tell me where to go. Your king shall secure another
Ang
victory.
isa sa pinaka-goal lang talaga dito yung yung 5 main members. Ito yung parang pinakaunang nila-level natin.
The onus behold my ultimate blade.
Tapos minsan nagkakatalo na lang kung yung mga pesto ng
I'm ready.
kung talagang seryoso. Iba talagang binabagalan nila kunya kasi pagka pinindot mo yan, sobrang bagal yung takbo ng mga minions.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Okay na ba't nga pala minions ang tawag dito.
Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
The onus behold my ultimate blade.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Let's go, Talos!
Yes? What is
Our Talos.
Usually pang mas maganda dito binabalance pa lang sila.
Shangri-La. No pain or
Priority mo lang
Under the light of
yung
the
itong
kingdom,
5.
all shall kneel.
Dati si Snow White lagi yung ginagamit ko. Kaya kasi pagka si Snow White, parang madalas yung may mga shield. Mas madalas lumalabas yung mga naka-shield. Kaya parang mas maganda na wala si Snow White.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Maximum under the light of the kingdom.
The onus behold my
Saka yung
ultimate
parang panira ni Snow White, ang litang area effect niya.
Tell me where to go. I feel your affection and trust. Duh.
I'll do every...
I'm ready. It's been quite some time since someone looked after me like this.
I'm ready. Return
Kaya
to
naman
where you
siguro
belong.
to.
Let's go, Talos!
The onus lies with behold my ultimate blade. I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or
So
despair.
pagka pinipindot natin yung ini-skip natin,
Maximum
may additional
speed.
score
Under the
din
light
yun.
of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Ayun, natanda ko na yung mga tao dito, yung mga Raptors.
Kilo.
Minions kayo ng tawag ko eh.
I'm ready. Return to
Mga
where you
Raptors.
belong.
The onus lies with behold my ultimate.
Tell me where to go.
Dahil ko naipon.
Yes,
Medyo...
I've definitely.
Are you engaged?
Which of you scorned? Yes. What is it? Tell me where to go.
Are you talking?
I'm ready.
Ako usually yung style ko talaga mas nile-level up ko talaga dito sa dito. Lalo na pag kami mga towers na dito.
Calm, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Ayan, ito yung pinaka-unang boss
I'm
battle
ready.
box.
Return to where you belong.
I'm the Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Calm, under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Minsan dito mabibigla ka na lang, sobrang dami eh.
I'm ready. It was. Surely iron cannot be free. Oh, behold my.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Are
You have become stronger, Kilo.
Calm, maximum under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
The onus lies. Behold my ultimate blade. Stand.
Yes? I guess I have no choice. Yes? I won't disappoint you. I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
I'm ready.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Calm, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Are you?
Tell me where to go. Carrying my subjects' fate, I shall venture forth
Dito
even
madami
further.
na siya. No?
Behold my ultimate blade. I'm the Garden of Shangri-La. No pain.
Yes? What is? I won't disappoint you.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Behold my ultimate blade.
Calm, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Kilo. Preparation.
Let's go, Talos.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Stand.
Tell me where to go. With your efforts, my clothes.
Behold my ultimate blade. I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Calm, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
The onus. Behold my ultimate blade.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
I'm ready. Return to where you
Hanggang
belong.
sana gusto ko magkaroon ng parang talagang games na ganito. Sana maglabas yun yung talagang tower defense.
Calm, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Behold my ultimate blade. I'm ready. I will look over.
Yes? What is it?
Doth my blade.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
I'm ready. The Garden of
Medyo
Shangri-La.
ganda.
No pain or despair. Behold my ultimate blade.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Calm, maximum. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Surely iron cannot.
Are you?
You have become stronger, Kilo. I am proud of you.
It's not enough.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair. onus lies. Behold my ultimate blade.
Yes? Thanks to you, I'll be...
I'm ready. The Garden of...
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Tom, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel. Tell me where to go.
Oh, kaya pa. Sana
Are
kaya
you?
pa.
I'll do everything I can to be of help.
Behold my ultimate
Yung
blade.
nag-shortcut, hindi dito. May sumikot yung dito. Yung lahat. Sa-shortcut.
The onus lies. Behold my ultimate blade.
Kilo. Preparation.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Tom, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel. Standing by. Tell me where to go.
Are you talking?
The onus, behold. I'm ready. Oh, you really...
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
I'm the Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair. Tom, Max, under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Yes? What is... I've definitely become strong.
Stand. I feel. Tell me where to go. Behold my ultimate blade.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Oh, kaya pa. Sana kahit umabot tayo mga 14.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair. The onus lies. Behold my ultimate blade.
Are you?
Tell me where to go. I feel you are. With your efforts, my clothes will shimmer even brighter. Tom, under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair. I'm ready. Oh, you really don't hold back.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
The onus lies with me now. Behold my ultimate blade.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Tom, maximum speed. Under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel. The onus, behold my ultimate blade.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Kilo. Preparation.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Behold my ultimate. I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Lang minsan ako ano. Hindi ko alam kung dahil sa pwesto na ang tower ko.
Tom, Max, under the light of the
Kasi may
kingdom,
show
all
ko
shall kneel.
kapatataan na lang isi yun.
Preparation.
Let's go, Talos.
Roger.
Are you Talos? The maintenance of
Behold my ultimate blade.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
I'm the Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Nakakapasok.
Yes? What is it?
The onus, behold my ultimate. Maximum under the light of the kingdom, all shall kneel.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos!
Rod.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La.
I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
Talos, how would you...
Yes? What is it?
Ay, ay, ay.
The onus,
No.
behold my ultimate blade.
Kilo.
Ang dami.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La. No pain or despair.
Tom, maximum under the light of the
Pero
kingdom.
pwede hindi rin ito makapasok eh. Pero ayun.
The onus, behold my ultimate blade.
Yes? What is it? I'm ready. Return to where you belong.
I'm ready. The Garden of Shangri-La.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos!
Rod.
The onus, behold my ultimate blade.
Tom, maximum under the light of the kingdom. All shall
Dami.
kneel.
Grabe.
Kilo.
Let's go, Talos!
Rod.
Grabe na ito. Kapasa. Medyo nagkamali ako ng ano eh. Okay na yan. Siguro okay na rin para sa last time na ano. Medyo nakakaano siya eh. Oh. Nakakapagod din siya eh. So ito yung final reward natin. Okay lang yan. So medyo di ko rin kasi masyado na sineryoso no. Pero okay na tayo yan. Wala naman kasing extra reward. Parang wala naman yata ang reward dito. May reward ba naman? Parang wala naman eh. Parang ano lang to eh. Parang for ano lang bragging rights. Parang for bragging rights lang. Parang wala naman yata extra reward. So okay na rin yan. So ito na din naman isa yung ano. Kaya ni-allow na rin siya at least once a day. So 3 hours na lang siya. 9 minutes no. So yeah, for the last time. So nakompleto naman natin yung mga upgrade nito. For memories. So anyway guys, no, so yan yung portaking ng sa minigame ng Nike, no. Oh. So after nito event, so kung kailan babalik nito, no, kung babalik kayo. O kaya sana magkaroon ng Nike naman parang collection. Para meron pa silang isang ano no. Meron pa yung isang laro na ano no, na minigame. Yung parang tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko ang tawag doon sa game na yun. Basta ito yung parang pinaka-favorite ko sa mga minigame. Di bang minigame nila medyo ano eh. Medyo masyadong pambata. Ito medyo tower defense. Medyo parang medyo okay. Mahilig kasi din kasi sa tower defense. Kaya guys, no, yun lang no. For memories lang din. Thank you guys.